And so there are two interpretations. One is that we will be given our heavenly bodies at that time, which is probably like your body when you were in your prime. So whatever age you hit your prime, I don't know, but that would be, in theory, that would be your heavenly body. You will look like you do, so we will recognize other people in heaven, and we will be here on. So that's one interpretation. We get our heavenly body early, come back for the 1,000-year reign, and we're here the whole time, and then we go. The other interpretation is that we come here for the 1,000 years, and it'll be like in the days before Noah. And so we will live to be hundreds and hundreds of years old. The earth will be restored to its former glory. It'll be similar to the Garden of Eden, but it'll be on the whole world. And so we may not live the whole 1,000 years, but we might live 900, or we might live, depending. And what happens after that? So if, let's say, there's a 1,000-year reign and we die at age 900, where do we go for the other 100 years? The theory is that we would be in heaven during that time. So I think the Bible more supports, it's not super clear on which one is correct. That's why there are two, I'd say, main theories. Of course, you have ask 100 people and you probably get 100 different opinions.